Hey guys, this is Mr. T Baby coming at you guys again with a new series that I'm going to try doing here. It's called Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be unboxing Nest Hello by Google doorbell. It is a doorbell with the camera that you see who's at the front door without having to go, even if you're not home. So do a little quick little unboxing. We got a little seal right here. Take that seal off. Let's see what we get in the package. Okay, right up front you got the camera, the unit itself. Let's see if we can get a nice close-up look at it. This is pretty nice. Good feeling. Okay, put that right there for now. Let's see, take this out. Looks like we got some paperwork. Got some paperwork. Okay. What do we got in here? Okay, looks like these are the little tools that we're going to use. We got some extenders for the cable, just in case if the cabling in the wall isn't long enough. It's got a little pin. Looks almost like a SIM ejector tool. It comes with a bit, masonry bit, if you're going to be installing this on brick. It's got 2 drywall screws, and that looks like about it in here. That looks like about it in it. Okay. We're gonna put that to the side for now. Oh, and 2 screws too. Okay. And then you've got, okay, so this is the actual chime. This is gonna be installed inside the house in the doorbell chime. Okay, and then you got a side mount. So if you want to angle the camera a certain way to get a better view, it's got a nice little angle on there. Okay, and the mount itself, this is what's going to go up against the wall. Okay, all right, look at the device one more time. Well, let's take the sticker off. Ooh. It's got fingerprints on it, big time. But all right, now we're gonna move on to the next part of the video where we're gonna actually install this for you. See how it goes. All right guys, for the first step of the installation, we're gonna take a quick look at the paperwork we got here. Oh, looks like we got a sticker too. That's nice. Not sure where we're gonna put the sticker. Got a nice little sticker to put somewhere. Okay, for the first couple of steps, you gotta have the Nest app. If you don't already have it, we already have a Nest thermostat, so I already have the app. You're supposed to download the app. You gotta add it as a device. So we'll show you real quick how to do that. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me turn my brightness up maybe. There we go. Okay, so this is what the Nest app looks like. You go to the settings. You scroll down to add product. Okay. Now we gotta, I believe it's the QR code right here. Got it? Okay. Okay, so after you get the app set up, next step is to locate the chime in the house. And usually just a plastic cover. Take the plastic cover off. Okay. And you'll see the inner workings. All right guys, I'll get you guys a little closer view of mine. It's gonna be different for every household. So mine is actually labeled with little, looks like blue tape. This one says front, and this is transformer. So what you need to look for is the front is the one that's going to go with the white cable. Okay, this is the doorbell chime that I had mentioned earlier. This is the white one that needs to go to the front, and then this is the gray one. It needs to go to the transformer. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick how I set mine up. Okay, get that loose. What we're going to do, oh, you need a screwdriver for that, by the way. We're going to straighten this out real quick. And if it's long, like mine is a little bit, just need to trim it off just a tad. Okay. And then you take the white and you squeeze and insert. Okay. And we're going to do the same with the one that's labeled as trans or transformer, short for transformer. Now, just remember the white one, on mine at least, it was on the right. So we're gonna hook that. It already comes pre-hooked, so we're just gonna see if we can hook that back on there, like so. Get my screwdriver, tighten that down. Okay, do the same with the gray. The gray is the transformer. I might have to open up the hook. Okay, that's all good. Okay, so we never tighten that one down. Okay, both pretty tight. Now, you just have to find a good spot to have this laid down. It looks like mine's spot's gonna probably be right here. Make sure your cables are not too tangled up. Make sure it will allow it to work a little more freely. Okay, that looks like a good spot right there. So we'll just go ahead and take off the sticker. And then we're gonna just stick it right there. And this should all fit inside of the plastic housing. Okay. Easy as that. Okay. Take it outside from here. Okay guys, this is the outside part of the installation. I've already removed my old doorbell. Detached it from the cable. I'm gonna go ahead and, since mine's brick by the way, as you can see, I'm gonna remove the old, I'm gonna try to take out these old drywall screws, and my assistant here is gonna hand me the drywall screws that come in the little white box that I showed you earlier. Okay, so this is the box I was talking about. Let's see here. We're gonna need this here in a second. Well, actually we might not, because we already got our holes. So we're gonna use the drywall anchors that come in the box. Hammer them in there real quick. Now, if you don't have the holes already, you're gonna have to use a masonry bit and line up. You're gonna have to line up. My assistant, by the way, my assistant is Oppie Poppy over here. Make sure you go check out his channel. So, oh, another thing, in the unboxing part of it, we were wondering what that tool was. It looked like a SIM ejector tool. What it is actually to help you release the camera out of the bracket, which, by the way, we're gonna go with the straightforward one, okay? So make sure you hold on to that little SIM ejector tool, or in this case, it's gonna be a camera ejector tool. So we fit the cable through and it lines up pretty good there. Okay, good deal. Okay, so we're gonna get the screws. Okay. Now it is recommended in the instructions to turn off the power. There is a very low level of voltage on these cables, but it's very low. It's not going to hurt you. So if you'd rather not have to mess with that, then like I'm doing, it's not going to really hurt anything. Okay, just kind of get that level as I can. Okay, now the pack came with these little extenders, which I should have one more. Oh, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use these because give me the camera here. Let's see. Yeah, actually it might work without it, but okay guys, so I'm looking at it one more time. I don't think I might need the extenders. Looks like I do have enough cable here to make both of the connections on both of the screws. Another thing, I have a red and a white. It doesn't matter which side it goes to. You can go to either one. So there's no, according to the instructions, it doesn't require a specific side. So we're gonna hold off on the extenders for now. Loosen these up a little bit. Okay. My needle nose here. See if you can just curve it. Like so. Saw a little spark there, but nothing to worry about. Okay. The other side. Oh, looks like my doorbell is turned on already there, and that's mostly because I didn't ever cut the power off. Okay, so I was having a little bit of trouble trying to clip it on, and what happened was the bottom screw tightened it too much and it kind of bent the bracket. So just loosened it up like about 1.5 turns, and we're gonna try this one more time here. There it goes. You hear that nice click, and there's no spaces on either side. Okay, cables looks good on the. I'm gonna put some silicone in here so that the little gap that shows, but it works. Okay. Now we're gonna go test it out and make sure everything's registered up on the app, and we can actually make sure that it works and we can see the video. As you can see, Susie's barking. Okay, so we're finishing up the setup. It asked us to connect the doorbell to the Wi-Fi. Went ahead and put in my password. Okay, add it to the account. There it goes. We got live video now. Oh. Okay. All right, we got it all installed and ready to go. Check the playback on the app and everything is working really good. No issues. Thanks for sticking out this far. If you like these type of videos, make sure you comment, subscribe, and like the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.